All right, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. My name is Hassan. We are live. I'm on the phone with Google Fiber, but we ready. Um, yeah, we ready to trade some uptrends today. Um, I like PDYN a lot. Man, it's really distraction. I literally got hold music in my ear, so I'm gonna have to talk to the Google Fiber representative in a second. But I need to figure out how I'm gonna incorporate this scanner situation into my world here. What's up, Bobby? Free Pony. What's going on?
BMNU INTC
It's gonna be too much.
GRI BFC MRNO
Yeah, that
FDMT.
ain't gonna work. That's too much. I'm gonna wait 5 minutes, see what that first 5 minute close looks like, and then see what's going on in the scanner. Feed Wave Rider FDMT. Yo, Sin V. Let's do it. How we looking over here? Hmm. Yeah, it's looking like trash. $30 million of personal funds invested, eh? Check out AZI. Now I'm back going. Look at Nam over there. Nice strong open. What else we got over here? Nah, dog. Looks ridiculous. No volume. I like AZI. I don't know. This could be a higher low though. Get split in on the 15. First bounce to EMA though. Pretty good news. This daily's trash though. Yeah, this daily's straight garbage. All right, my bad. Finally done with Google Fiber. Man, AZI looking kind of right. See what happens though. Do I have a little ritual I did? I have a nice morning routine. Starts with a prayer and then roll right into my journal, or no, roll into my mission statement, and then I roll into my journal and look at my previous day's trading. I got a nice little routine set up. I just it's not a habit. Dang, bro, this was nice. What up, OG? Got smoked today? On what? This is pretty nasty right here, though. You can't even. That's disgusting. On GRI. See if we could tell. Oh, yeah, that's pretty nasty. I can see that. Oh, yeah, I forgot about that. Do I have my watch on? I do. Man, AZI, man, and Joker rolling. Something. Let me get. What am I doing on this one? Get off of there. So MRNO straight into the dumps. Looked at that one. THM. Nice. Appreciate you, Pond. Yeah, AZI looked down to me, man. On the higher time frames, this thing looks cooked. But it's a strong open for sure. It don't look that bad on the 15 right there, but that is sketchy. Slappage. It's terrible. Straight up trend. Joker need to calm down. Yeah. Dang, OG. You held past your stop loss, bro. Cardinal sin. That's tough, bro. You use a mental stop or you deleted your stop? Get out of here. Man, it's a really strong open, but That's pretty whack though. Yeah. Mental stop. Oof. Oh yeah, you trade pre-market, so you gotta have a mental stop. Morning knives. What else am I missing? BNAI, BNAI, OPTX. Do I have that up? OPTX, not the volume. RGNX. That looks good. Had to come back down to $10 though, probably. Maybe even 10.50. Dun, 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 dun. The strongest. It's gotta be SLGB. It's gotta be. Yep. It's pretty beautiful. Three wondrous candles. Thanks, Pond. You the man. Let's do some. Got some interesting things going here in the daily. That's very important. And what we got here, 389. Yeah, I see it. I seen it. Ooh, she's strong. Shoot. Oh yeah, for sure. I need two red candles for sure. I don't know. Something this strong might just give you one. You ain't lying. You ain't lying. AZI look good. Not yet though. Not for me though. I'm cool. It's not great. You know, it's all right. This is the time. Yeah, I'm gonna let AZI cook for a bit. It's just not in a good spot right now. Cause like it's really not in the uptrend until over this high. And over this high is really close to there. So your RR isn't that great trading it up there. So it's really it's got some work to do to set up to be like a high opportunity situation. This is stuck in a range for sure. Obviously. I don't know if that's ready for a trend line yet. Something like that. But yeah, I mean, ooh, I gotta get off this one. That might be it. I can't do it though. Now this is looking interesting. That buying that close would have been real interesting. Stop under the low, but that's the old me. There we go. Pull it on back. Yeah. Mhm. Man, look at that glorious pass up on AZI. Ooh, look at it now though. That's pretty cool. What's going on, Stanford? I don't like that long wick though. PSLV. Ooh, that's nice. It is higher price though. Into some fat resistance too. ONDS. It's looking real good. I'm gonna probably be mad at myself for not taking this trade. I'm going to take the break here. Let's see. I don't need to take this trade. Damn, I think I needed to take that one though. think I needed to take that one. Took my eyes off the prize. Nah, I want to wait for that second red. Second red though. 5 bit, yeah, but that's kind of my style, bro. Look at this clean, clean. Yeah, I'm gonna be mad at myself for not taking that, bro. I'm gonna chill though. I honestly, it could bump his head, make a slightly higher high. What we got here? 1305. Shoot. If it broke 1305 and then pulled back, that would be, I would definitely jump on that. Yeah, that was it right here. This was the Durkio. That was the Durkio. I looked away. Yeah, it is. I know. Nah, I'm looking saucy over here. Let that thing break out too, though. Nah, that's pretty nasty on the 15. AZI cook. Yeah, ONDS looking kind of fire, but we can let it prove itself. It's under the line. Yo, this one right here though. That looks bad. Should have snuck in. I should have snuck in on the one after I missed the 5. It doesn't matter. Ooh, ONDS with the slappage. Yeah, you sure did, man. You sure did. I think I'm trying to wait for 2 red candles to print though before I enter. Volume's hella mid though. Um, there goes 9. Yeah, BNAI is kind of up there. I can't risk my risk with BNAI. Dang it, Bobby. Pre-market high on mine. Close is basically 47, but I want 51. Just ain't got the volume like SLGB had, man. That's what a travesty. Um, I got a few. SLGB was my main watch, and then I started looking at everything else. Kind of bummed. It makes sense for this thing to come on down to VWAP at this point, but I'll take 51.
Order filled.
I still got my eye on SLGB over here after throwing that higher high. Took an L on MRNO. What's the protocol after a L? You done? I should have took it down low. I wanted to see it break 50 though. The price we paid for a little confirmation. Pretty wide. And yeah, I seen him. I took MRNO off my chart super early. There goes AZI. Needed a little time to cook. Rightio. Same with ONDS. Need a little time. Let's see what that pullback look like on the other side. No, that might be the lower high right there. BYKI. Yeah, that was it on SLGB. I gotta attack that pullback better, man. Yeah, that was my fault, man. Mm-mm-mm. Get stop sauce. Yeah, AZI looks great. Yeah, volume is crap, bro. I knew it was too. Yeah, I didn't like it enough to get in down there, so I wanted to wait for it to cross 350. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. All right, I learned a good lesson today, though. Learned a really good lesson today. Um, Pay attention to the one that has the most volume.
Order filled.
Duh. Duh. Yeah. I'm pretty sure I'm done with this. Yeah, probably. Yeah, most probably. PDYN is done. Um, that's too cheap. Kind of cool. Recent highs. Mm. Man, being AI $70. Mm-mm-mm. Yeah. The main ones all went down. I don't have any of them up right now. Dang, bro, I failed today on SLGB. Failed. Wasn't a picture perfect setup though. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. I thought I checked. Retail trader activity. Guess not. That is the news. Nah, you definitely told me, Bobby. Yeah. What is it? Is it bad? Oh, dang, I'm chilling today. Still hot. Wow.
Order filled.
Stop should be 2 cents under that, yo. Mm. Am I missing that? Goes BNAI. right in my face. Wow. Hmm. And AZI, it look good. Uh, nah, being AI looks pretty cool. AZI back over 3 though. Yeah, I don't like that at all. Damn, bro, I spazzed. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. You feel like I be sitting here like shucking and jiving for the chat focus? That's a real statement that I be sorting through stocks to find something to entertain y'all with. That's what you really feel like I be doing? Mm, okay.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Man, appreciate it, Bobby. Oh man. Did it go up? I appreciate it, Stanford. This can't be right, bro. It can't be that low. Yo, we got it all off the plate, bro. Top tick, baby. Yo. Man, hit that like button for me, man. Yeah, you sounding like a straight hater, bro. So we're having a good time, man. Ah, damn, that was cool. Shout out Dirk for the entry. Well, that's all, folks. I gotta get to work. I gotta get this review done so I can get to work. I'm not trading anymore. This is the goal right here. One or two trades. One thing I want to do, like with my like I'm my goal is to become a master of the 5 minute pullback, and I gotta evaluate. Like when I before I even bought when I was looking at this, I'm like, it should come down to VWAP. Like I need a second reason to take the pullback, not just because it's a pullback. Like here, we're sitting on top of this high volume high right here, which is like, perfect. All right, that's a nice level of support. So I'm just thinking about that. But yeah, this was a clear trade right here to me. And I think that kind of helps with the decision what we was talking about yesterday, Trey, on using one or two candle pullbacks. Like, where's it pulling back to though? You know what I mean? If it gets there in one candle, but if it's printed one candle and it looks like it wants to turn around, but it's not, there's no actual support there. Like, I need a thesis. My thesis is it's gonna hold because of this previous high, or something. Like this one was just like, I wasn't even confident. If I'm not confident enough to take the break of the close, I don't know. Like here I was really confident to buy the bottom of this candle because it held this level so well. Yeah, no doubt, knives. I know, bro. You ain't lying. You ain't lying, Bobby. Yeah, yeah. I knew it was. I knew it wasn't the one to even look at, because I was comparing the volume between. I kept looking back and forth between the volume traded on THM and SLGB, and it was like night and day. And I really just got to delete these off of my watch chart. Once I disqualify them, I got to take them off. But I'll leave them there, and they'll end up doing something, and I'll forget why I disqualified it and end up trading it. Um, but yeah, it's the FOMO that makes me still want to watch it. This looks like a nice bounce on BNAI. But yeah, man, I'm done for today, man. I'm done for today. This is the goal. I came, I saw, I conquered. I wish it was one and done, and I didn't even mess with THM. But I should have. I should have been. This same trade was right here on. But then, like, what's my thesis on this as far as like rating the pullback? I ain't even go through this day and try to look for any kind of. Yeah, it's not really one. Maybe this level right here. That's just picking and choosing at that point. Man. But yeah, man, that's all I want to do right here. I just need to catch one or two of these, you know. I appreciate it, Pond. Yeah. Yeah, one or two of these a day, man, and I'm cool. Let me get my screeny out. Definitely need to capture that. And I guess we can capture this joint too for the, and then we can capture this L I took on SLGB. L by way of missed opportunity. Yeah, SEG was really nice to sell. It was really. I had a nice amount of shares because I got really tight risk. I was in at 182 with a stop at 179, so risk was super tight, and it just kept on grinding up, man. And once I saw it really getting down here, I'm like, yeah, I'm out, bro. I'm out. Because this was already a pretty nice move right here. So that kind of squeeze, that's a wrap. The third candle off the opening high of day. Yeah, but I don't like these long wicks right here, man. Whenever I see this long wick, I always feel like it's going to pull back some more first. Usually does. So this would have been the better entry. Um, but kind of sketchy, you know. It's kind of downtrending right here. Like a long, this is a long pullback right here. Um, but buying it up here, you know, you got a lot more confidence, I think. Chart on the right. This one, this would be my left, but I guess okay. This is 15 up here. 9:55. Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah. 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 I see it. And I like when the candle's pulling back and the volume's stupid low like that. I really like that. Off of pre-market too. Yeah, this is pretty cool right here. Off of pre-market high. Yeah. Yeah, this is nice. Yeah, that would have been cool to catch that there. Um, but oh yeah, I definitely need to get that popping. Trey, what's up on the report card? Appreciate you, Trex. What is? Can I get the temp? Like the ones I saw on his Twitter was just like a picture. Is there like a text template where I can have the template and rewrite the words for the report card? YouTube. All right. Uh, I don't see it, man. Yeah, it's really been the missing link, bro. Just like the missing ingredient. Like I've been cooking up a fire pot. And everything was made. It's like having I don't know, like a freaking stew with everything but the meat. And the uptrend is the meat of my strategy. So constantly constantly trying to apply it on downtrending stocks just hasn't been working, you know. Yeah, exactly. I always get caught in the chop. And that's why I always had that higher high, higher low recommendation. So when I was trading mind the line, this is like a perfect example of that. I wanted to see price move out of the previous range it was in and retest it. And this is like a perfect example of that. Um, Yeah, I could feel it was time to go. I didn't want to overstay my welcome. I didn't want to be sitting in, I didn't want to be sitting and waiting for hopefully hoping it to go back up, hoping for it to go back up. Just give me my money, dog. There goes Nam. Nam, this looks bad. I don't even care. I really don't care. Um, yeah, I definitely took a picture. Like this, bro. This what May looked like though. This is what May was. Trades like this. I just saw what you said, knives. It's like what's uh, nah, the whole problem is just not making sure I'm in an uptrend. I'm trading strength. I got so infatuated with catching the beginning of the trend that I was like chasing these downtrends, like waiting, like it's uptrends coming any minute now. Any minute now. Mm. Yeah, that's what it really has been though, Knives. Is just we could have been here a long time ago, but a lot of other things had to fall into place for my mind to be able to watching grass grow. But just, just getting your mind right to be able to wait for the entry and be able to sell when you're supposed to sell and all of that. Like it takes so much to get to that point for all of those things to be in sync at the same time on the right trade. It's like at first lining it all up is wild. Yeah, that was a real nice entry right here on BNAI. Yeah, it was. Oh, wait, what you talking about? Oh yeah, I'm looking for this report card. I still have not found it. Um, oh, here it is, daily report card template. Aha. We in there. I can move this to a 1, eh? Um, there goes your feed. Oh, I forgot. There's a feed trading today. SEGG looked like it might want to make a nice another bounce. So if you used it before, why didn't I change it? What you what you mean, Red? The strategy? A plus plus today. I don't know, man. Um, goal. Insert that day's sole focus that you want to focus. Continuously work on. Listen to intraday charts. Oh, okay. These are like reminders to yourself. Okay. Let me get rid of these notes though. Um, um, I changed. Why did I change it? I think that's just the one of the you don't realize why something is working. You don't realize you think that your strategy is the reason why you're failing. And so I keep changing that. Like if I miss a trade or it doesn't work out or if I find myself it could be the market's bad or honestly I just haven't been trading uptrends. I would literally say that that's probably been the problem the entire time. Because if I'm buying higher lows and uptrends, I should be, it should be going up, you know? If I'm consistently buying higher lows and uptrends, it should be going up. But I was consistently buying them in downtrends. And so I was constantly trying to figure out, why it's not working. And oh, I need to do this instead. And, you know, so yeah. Took me a long time to realize that also was part of the problem. Yeah, the first loss, I honestly need to like. It's almost like I got to get that first loss out the way, and I hate that. I got to make my first trade. Maybe I need to read one good trade again. Um, segment. I'm gonna have to listen to a video. All right, well let's download this puppy. Uh, Cool, cool, cool. Yeah. I've been playing the wrong stuff, man. I just been playing the wrong stuff. Um, and the stuff that trades well in pre-market doesn't necessarily trade well after in the regular market. So, yeah, being AI looks amazing. SEGG looks kind of cool too. Be interesting to see what that would look like. But you already out. Oh dang. uh yeah, I can't relate to you today, Knives. Well, I didn't get any of it, so but all right, man. We had a great day today. This is awesome. Um you gotta stitch these days together, man, of following the process and executing. Yeah, one day at a time, man. Yeah, sure is. Now you just need the but I wouldn't mess with it after that wick and not expect it to go I wouldn't expect it to go far after that wick. That's pretty sketchy. I don't know, a higher low on the 5 though. Ain't much volume in this move up right here though. I hate money. This is a very strong move to the downside, bro. Very strong move to the downside. And this is weak. Back up to the upside, bro. Nah, this is the demo. In the demo doghouse until February 1st, unfortunately. But February could be really exciting, guys. Could be really exciting. See how we finish the week out. And yeah, man. Could be really exciting. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, bro, like I know I'm in the right place because I haven't when's the last time I had any big winners? Like, dang, it's crazy, bro. All of my like my risk to reward my profit loss ratio was down under 2 and it ain't never been under 2. So it was getting crazy. Like my wins were like 1.5 R, 1.3 R with my losses still being 1 R. So it was not working. Yeah, the entry's better and the range that the stock moves in my favor is better because it's in an uptrend. So yeah, it's today, yesterday, and today is pretty cool confirmation that we're moving in the right direction. Um, just gotta take it one day at a time, man. At risk reward, yeah, indeed. Yeah, that helps too. That's definitely helpful. I only took a 17% move. I mean, this felt like a pretty good home run. But like I was saying the other day, the the big R comes from the entry. Like, cause if I entered over the high right here, that wouldn't have been. This would have been like a 3 R, a 2.5 R trade. Why did I reject it last summer? I don't know. I don't remember. I don't know if I rejected it or not, but I think I had in my mind at the time that I was looking for the beginning of the uptrend. which has to happen after a long pullback. And um, yeah, I don't know. It all had to happen to get here. You know. So um, we'll see how it goes, man. Just just got to do the work, man. I'm super motivated to do the work to like really journal and like the daily report card. I'm excited to dig into that. Um, Stop working because summer hit. Maybe. Yeah, just take the profit. There's always something uptrending though. You just gotta find it. Anyway, I've been saying I've been getting out of here for like 15, 20 minutes. Let me go, y'all. Appreciate y'all for hanging out with me. It's hopefully we're turning the corner, man, and we're making our way to a new place that we haven't been before. Or maybe we saw a glimpse of it back in May, but maybe we can be there for real this time. Um, yeah, but what work have I done so far? Let me stop. I gotta go, man. I've been journaling though, for sure. But anyway, peace.